Assalamualaikum. Karina binti Ma'ruf. Magic number I19103591. Chapter 3. Information System, Organizations and Strategy. Subtopic 3.2. What is the impact of information system on organizations? Information systems have become integral online interactive tools deeply involved in the minute-to-minute operations and decision-making of large organizations. Over the past decade, information systems have fundamentally altered the economics of organizations and greatly increased the possibilities for organizing work. The impact of information system on organizations. Economic impacts, organizational and behavioral impacts, the internet and organizations, and lastly, implication for the design and understanding of information system. Economic impact. IT changes both the relative cost of capital and the cost of information. Information system technology can be viewed as a factor of production that can be substituted for traditional capital and labor. IT also affects the cost and quality of information and changes the economics of information. As the cost of information technology decreases, it is substituted for labor, which historically has been a rising cost. Transaction cost theory. Firms and individuals seek to economize on transaction costs, much as they do on production costs. Information technology helps firms contract in size because it can reduce transaction costs. The cost incurred when a firm buys on a marketplace what it cannot make itself. Information technology, especially the use of network, can help firms lower the cost of market participation, making it worthwhile for firms to contract with external suppliers instead of using internal sources. Information technology also can reduce internal management costs. Agency theory, the firm is viewed as a nexus of contracts among self-interested individuals rather than as a unified, profit maximizing enterprise by Jason and McLean, 1976. As a result, firms can shrink in size, such as number of employees, because it is far less expensive to outsource work to a competitive marketplace rather than hire employees. Next is organizational and behavioral impact. In this point, have three mini points. First is IT flattened organization. Theory based in the sociology of complex organization also provides some understanding about how and why firms change with the implementation of new IT applications. Behavioral researchers have theorized the information technology facilitated flattening of hierarchies by broadening the distribution of information to empower lower level employees and increase management efficiency. In Figure 3.6, flattened organization, first hierarchy is shown a traditional hierarchical the traditional hierarchical organization with many levels of management, and then below an organization that have been flattened by removing layers of management. IT pushes decision-making rights lower in the organization because lower-level employees receive the information they need to make decisions without supervision. This is because the empowerment is also possible because of higher education level among the workforce, which give employees the capabilities to make intelligent decisions. Information system can reduce the number of levels in an organization by providing managers with the information to supervise largest number of workers and by giving lower level employees more decision-making authorities. Second point, post-industrial organization. History and sociology, then economy also support the notion that IT should flatten hierarchies. Societies, authorities increasingly relies on knowledge and competence and not merely on formal position. Information technology may encourage task force network organization in which group of professionals come together, face-to-face or electronical, for a short period of time to accomplish a specific task. In example, designing a new automobile, once the task is accomplished, the individual join other task forces. Last point, understanding organization resistant to change. Information system can affect who does what to whom, when, where, and how in an organization. Many new information systems require changes in personnel, individual routine that can be painful for those involved and require retraining and additional effort that may or may not be compensated. There are several ways to visualize organization resistance. Research on organization resistant to innovation suggests that four factors are paramount. As shown in figure 3.7, they are the nature of IT innovation, the organization structure, the culture of people in organization, and the tasks affected by the innovation. In conclusion, implementing information system has consequences for task arrangement, structure, and people. According to this model, to implement changes, all four components must be changed simultaneously. Next is the internet and organization. The internet has an important impact of the relationship between many firms and external entities, and even on the organization of business processes inside a firm. The internet is capable of dramatically lowering the transaction and agency costs facing most organizations. Businesses are rapidly rebuilding some of their key businesses processes based on internet technology and making this technology a key component of their infrastructure. Application for the design and understanding of information system is to deliver genuine information benefits. Information system must be built with a clear understanding of the organization with which they will be used. The central organization factor is considered when planning a new system are the following: the environment which the organization must function, the structure of organization such as hierarchy, specialization, routine and business processes, the organization culture and politics, the type of organization and its style of leadership, the principal interest group affected by the system and the attitudes of workers who will be using the system, and lastly, the kind of task, decision, and business processes that the information system is designed to assist. In conclusion, what is the impact of information system on organization? The introduction of new information system will affect the organizational structure, goals, work design, value, competition between interest group, decision making, and day-to-day behavior. At the same time, information system must be designed to serve the needs of important organizational group and will be shaped by the organization structure, business processes, goals, culture, politics, and management. Information technology can reduce transaction and agency costs, and such changes have been accentuated in organizations using the internet. The system dispute establish pattern of work and power relationship to so there is often considerable resistance to them when they are introduced. That's all from me. Thank you.